my channel. I am Darshna Vanra. Public speaking is an important aspect in our life. It's an art and we have to polish it. We all have to speak in public, may it be meeting, conferences, seminars, etc. Our good or bad performance strongly affects on what people think about us. And that's why public speaking gives rise to anxiety. So here I have come up with the 5 things to help you prepare for public speaking. So let's get started. So the first point is selecting an appropriate topic if it's in your hand. Yes, always choose a topic of your interest. It makes a huge difference when you speak on topic you know very well about. It helps build confidence, and if questions thrown from audience, you can answer it very well. Research. What should we research? We should research information about latest trend in an industry, whether it's part of our speech or not, because we must be having that much information on our hand. Next is plan. Before you start creating your speech, consider to whom speech is to be delivered. Know as much about audience as you know, because your speech is for them. Create framework of your speech, keeping an eye on your goal. Next is prepare. Prepare an effective PowerPoint presentation. The best PowerPoint presentation should not be remembered. Instead, they should fall into the background to support your speech. The slide should contain bullet points and not paragraph. Prepare notes which helps you to practice your speech. Remember, notes are only practicing for your speech. So the third one is rehearsal of your presentation. Even good speakers practice their presentations beforehand. You can practice your speech in front of video camera and watch out how it looks like. You can see your expressions, your body language, your pronunciations, your pitch, etc. And thus you can work upon it. You can practice your speech in front of mirror too. And yes, if you're really afraid of crowd, then you can practice in front of your friends, your colleagues, etc. and grab feedback from them. Practice at least 2 full presentations without using notes. So the fourth point is prepare yourself for the speech. You don't need to have sleepless nights for preparation. Don't do rote learning. If you select topic of your interest, it will not foster rote learning. Be optimistic for your performance and avoid thinking about failure. Try to manage your anxiety. So the fifth and the last point is memorize your content. Memorize your content so that your speech does not come off as reading of notes. Apply repetition of cumulative memorization. Now what is that? As you memorize each point, be cumulative by adding a new point to what you have just memorized. Try to recall your speech without using notes. So these all are 5 points which helps you prepare for your speech. Hope you like this video. Thank you. Bye-bye.